Well, it was a very sad day. Something definitely came through here. And I'm very, very upset to admit that whatever it was, it got Rooster. I just came back. I had to run out. Poor chicken's wandering around frantically. She's hiding in her thing now. I came back and saw this. Well, I came back and saw chicken and I didn't see Rooster. I knew something was up. And there's feathers everywhere. And I kind of followed them a bit. And I see a feather here, here. Rooster was big. So, I mean, I don't know what the heck came in and took him, but something definitely came through here. It wasn't like that earlier. I'm not about to go trekking through there, but I might wait for him to come back. I'm very bummed about this. I didn't think it could happen. I've never seen anything in these woods. We'll see what happens. I have to do a better job protecting them. Cheese it. Oh, everybody loves Cheez-Its. You sit down, stay. Everybody loves Cheez-Its.